English, your happy place to learn English. It is a friendly podcast where we practice simple English through everyday conversations. I'm Jenny, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm John. It's great to see you again.
John, today you look fresh. How are you?
I'm good. I had a nice morning walk. And you?
I'm great too. I had iced coffee, and coffee makes everything better.
Totally true. And speaking of morning walks, have you ever been walking somewhere and suddenly you see a friend you didn't expect to meet?
Oh yes, many times. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's a little awkward, especially when you don't know what to say in English.
Exactly. And that's why today's topic is super important and useful. Running into a friend.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss next videos.
Really, your one click helps the channel grow a lot. And thank you for all your support.
Okay, so let's imagine this. You're walking in the park, or in a mall, or maybe at the bus stop, and then suddenly, boom, you see your friend.
And your brain is like, oh no, what do I say? What if I don't know the words?
Don't panic. Today, we're going to give you the exact phrases natives say. These are super natural, super simple, and you don't need to be perfect.
Even if your English level is elementary, you can use them right away. Let's make it easy and fun.
So, John, what is the very first thing natives usually say when they unexpectedly meet a friend?
Easy. They say, hey, I didn't expect to see you here.
Right. It simply means it shows you're surprised and happy.
And it sounds very friendly, not strange at all.
Another super common classic phrase is, long time no see.
We say it all the time. It's casual, fun, and everyone understands. It means we haven't met for a while.
Let's practice a quick exchange. Listen first. Hey, John, I didn't expect to see you here.
Oh, hey, Jenny. Long time no see.
How have you been?
I've been good, keeping busy. And you?
Good too. Just busy with work. You know how it is.
See? Simple, right? Very natural. You can use this with any friend.
Now, let's do a longer and more realistic conversation. Something that really feels like real life, with pauses, little stories, and natural reactions.
Yes, a full mini story. We'll act it out and then we'll explain the key phrases and why we use them.
And today's setting is a beautiful Saturday afternoon in the city park. The weather is so nice today. The sun is warm, there's a little breeze. I love days like this. Perfect for a walk to clear my head. Just me, my thoughts, and... Hey, is that...
Jenny? Hey, is that you?
Oh, John? John! Hey, I didn't expect to see you here. Wow!
Yeah, same here. What a surprise. Long time no see.
Long time no see. How have you been? I feel like it's been, 2 or 3 months?
Yeah, about that. Maybe since the channel's anniversary party? I've been okay. Work has been busy, but I'm hanging in there. How about you?
I'm good too. Also busy, but good busy. Working on new projects. But seriously, I can't believe we bumped into each other like this, in this huge park.
I know. This park is huge. I didn't think I'd run into anyone I know. So what are you doing here? Just enjoying the day?
Yeah, just walking to relax. I needed a break from my laptop. My eyes were starting to hurt. And you?
Same. I needed some fresh air. I've been inside days editing videos. My brain needed a restart.
Oh yeah, screen time can be intense. Sometimes I just need a bit of nature to reset my brain.
By the way, you look really happy today. Like really relaxed.
Thank you. I think it's the sunshine. Sunshine makes everything better, just like coffee.
True. And the weather today is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
So, do you come to this park often?
Sometimes, maybe once or twice a week. I like walking around the lake. It's quiet and peaceful over there.
Yeah, I love that area too. There are those big old trees, and the water looks so beautiful in the afternoon light.
Oh, speaking of the lake, last week I even saw a guy playing guitar near the fountain. It felt like a free mini concert.
Really? That sounds lovely. I'd love to hear some live music while walking. It makes the walk special.
Yeah, he was really good. It was a nice little surprise.
You know, it's funny. When I run into a friend like this, I always feel excited but also a little shocked for a second.
Same here. My brain takes like 3 full seconds to understand what's happening. It's like, wait, is that? No, it can't be. Oh, it is.
Exactly. It's like, wait, is that John? Or someone who just looks exactly like John?
And then I always do the awkward wave.
The half wave? The one where you just lift your hand a little?
Yes, the tiny little wave that says, hello? Is it you? It is you. Okay.
Everyone does that. It's universal.
So anyway, how's your week going? Aside from today's nice walk.
Pretty good. Actually, I've been working on some new content ideas for our channel.
Oh yeah? Tell me. I'm curious.
Well, nothing is final yet, but I want to create more of these daily life English conversations, situations everyone experiences.
I love that. It's simple, useful, and feels real. People can connect to it.
Exactly. People learn better and remember more when the topic is something they actually experience, not just from a textbook.
Like today, running into a friend is something that happens all the time everywhere.
Yes, and the great news is, even if your English is basic, you can still have a perfectly nice little conversation.
Speaking of basic, let's break down some super simple phrases learners can use. Let's imagine we're starting the conversation again, but in easy mode.
Good idea. Let's list them. First, the simplest, hey, how are you?
Second, good to see you. Very warm and positive.
Third, what are you doing here? A great, natural question to keep the talk going.
Fourth, me too, or same. Easy way to agree or show you're doing the same thing.
See? Very easy, very natural. You can mix and match these.
Okay, back to our story. So, what are you doing after your walk? Any plans?
Not sure yet. Maybe grab a smoothie from that little shop near the south gate. You?
I might go to the grocery store. I ran out of milk. Again.
Again? John, how do you always run out of milk?
I don't know. Maybe because I eat too much cereal? I use a lot of milk.
That's not even a full sentence, John. You drink too much cereal?
But you understand. The point is, the milk disappears fast. I can finish a whole box of cereal in 2 days.
Wow, that's a special talent.
A useless special talent.
Anyway, it's really nice seeing you today. This was a good surprise.
Same here. Today just feels a little brighter now.
Yeah, sometimes meeting a friend by chance really improves your day. It's a little gift.
True. You know, in English, we also often say a very nice phrase, "It made my day."
Yes, it means something or someone made you very happy. For example, you could say, running into you really made my day.
Oh, that's sweet. And I'd say, you too.
Hey, do you want to sit for a bit? That bench over there under the tree looks free.
Sure, let's sit. My legs could use a short break.
So let me ask you a practical question. When you meet a friend unexpectedly in real life, do you usually talk for a long time or just say a quick hi and leave?
It depends on my mood and schedule. If I'm really in a hurry, I say something polite like, "It was nice seeing you. I've got to run to an appointment."
That's very useful. It's honest and friendly.
Right. And if I'm not busy, like today, I stay and chat for a bit. Maybe for 5 or 10 minutes.
I think many learners feel nervous when they meet friends or acquaintances outside.
Yes, because they worry about the conversation. What do I say next? What if I don't understand their answer?
But the truth is, for these casual surprise meetings, you don't need complicated English.
Absolutely not. You just need a few simple standard questions, like, how's your day going? Where are you headed? A bit more natural than where are you going sometimes. Have you been busy?
Do you have time for a quick coffee?
Natives use simple, everyday English in daily life, trust me. We're not using big, fancy words on a Saturday walk.
100%. Keep it simple, keep it friendly.
One more important thing is knowing how to end the conversation politely.
Yes, never just disappear suddenly like a ninja.
Right. You should say a clear goodbye phrase, like, well, I should get going. It was great catching up. Let's catch up properly later. Text me soon. See you soon. Or take care.
These lines help you end the talk naturally without sounding rude or awkward. It shows you enjoyed the chat, but now it's time to leave.
So, John, what's your plan for the rest of the day? After the grocery store for your mysterious milk?
I think I'll just relax at home, maybe cook something simple.
Oh, what are you cooking? Something fancy?
Probably just ramen, the easy kind.
Classic John.
I know, I'm predictable.
Okay, I should get going soon. I told my sister I'd call her.
Sure, but it was really great seeing you. This was fun.
Same here. Meeting you was a really nice surprise. We should do this on purpose next time.
Yeah, we should hang out sometime, maybe for coffee next week?
Yes, coffee is always a good idea.
Cool. I'll text you later this week and we can set a time.
Perfect.
All right, take care. Enjoy your smoothie.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, everyone, let's review today's key phrases. These are your tools for the next time you run into a friend.
Repeat after us if you can. We'll say each one twice.
Didn't expect to see you here. Didn't expect to see you here.
Long time no see. Long time no see.
How have you been? How have you been?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
It was nice seeing you. It was nice seeing you.
We should hang out sometime. We should hang out sometime.
Take care. Take care.
Great job today. Seriously, you learned some very practical English.
You improved your daily life English, and that's amazing. This is how you build confidence, step by step.
If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Today's question for you is, when was the last time you ran into a friend or someone you know? Was it at a store, on the street, at the gym?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories. It helps us make better lessons for you.
See you tomorrow for day 3. We have another great everyday topic for you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.